Look at there. Play with the Rocky horse. Where's the Rocky horse? We're gonna get the loops. You're gonna get the loops. Yeah, I want you on that. We got no toys. You like a toys? Do you like your toys? Oh, he likes the toys. Or she likes her toys. We don't know. Somebody likes toys. Look at there. There's a bunny. There's a passy. Let's see what this is. Look at that passy. Look at that passy. There's a little passy. Oh, wait. You like that? You like that toy? Oh, that baby likes that toy. That baby likes that toy. Alright, let me just lay it down here and let you play with it. You got some more in that box, but I don't know what all's in there. There's you some toys. You got a ball with a jingle bell. Oh, way. Let's see what else is in here. There's a swing in there, I know. Oh, here's a ball with a bell. Look at here. Look at here. You like that bell? It's got a ball. You like that bell? You said, no, right now I'm just chewing this one. You're chewing that one right now. I'll hang it on your cage. You can play with it in there. Let me put it in your baby cage. Put it in playpen. Okay, I hung it in your playpen. Look. Mama hung it in your playpen. You got a little toy in there with your diaper and your seeds. You got a box full of toys. There's a ladder. You got all kinds of play toys. Yay! It's May the 15th. Yeah. You're 6 weeks old now. Yes. You sure are. April the 1st to May the 15th. 6 weeks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby.